Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're having an awesome day. So today we're going to talk about lavender. It has calming and relaxing properties that promote peaceful sleep and relieves feelings of tension. You can use topically to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections or skin irritations. Like for example, parent of the year here, we forgot to put sunscreen on Erica's face before she went on a field trip, which was at a pool, and she came back with super rosy cheeks. So mom came to the rescue, and I used Lavender Touch, which is lavender oil with fractionated coconut oil. You can make it your own. You don't have to buy this one, but I happened to have it, so I just rolled on her cheeks, and that helped relieve the pain. So it does that. You could take internally to reduce anxious feelings, or you can diffuse. I made a spray bottle, a huge fan of spray bottles. I don't know if you could tell. You can get these at aromatools.com or Amazon. I know Aromatools, you could get a pack of 6 for under $4. So what I do with this guy, I keep it by my bed and I spray my pillows and my sheets right before I go to sleep. So that gives me that calming, you're gonna, drift into la la land. You can spray it in your car before you head out to that commute. You can spray on in your closet. And you can also get those dryer balls and add a couple of drops of oil and throw it in your dryer. So your sheets and towels and clothes are gonna smell amazing. And you could cook with it and add flavor to your baked goods. So I carry my lavender in this cute little pouch thing. I got this from Abrazo Designs. You can also check out Amazon. They have a couple too. So it goes with me everywhere. I'm keeping this short and sweet today. Next week, we're going to talk about Breathe. This is an amazing oil. Total strangers will tell me how much they like this oil when I bring up that I do doTERRA. It's always the #1 oil they bring up. It's a respiratory blend, so I can't wait to share this one with you guys. Hi, Rachel. Okay, you guys take care. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the long one if you have Labor Day off. And if you don't, well, thank you for putting in the hours. Okay, bye, guys. Da, 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 da.